If you're looking for ways to reduce your expenses after the holidays, refinancing your auto loan could be a way to drive down your monthly payment and save money. MSUFCU Chief Marketing Officer Deidre Davis is here to discuss the benefits of auto loan refinancing. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, I think a lot of people think of refinancing their home, but they need to step back and think, wait a minute, my auto loan. So what are some of the advantages of refinancing your auto loan?
Yeah, well, when you refinance, you can typically reduce your interest rate. You can also reduce your monthly payment and thereby improve your cash flow, all of which will help you in the long run. And so we want to, though, caution you that with any financial decision that you're going to make, you want to be sure to really look at what the impact is and what your goals are to make sure it does make sense for you. But there are a lot of benefits you can enjoy. So when you're refinancing, like you said, the mortgage to a lower rate, think of your auto loan as well.
So that means timing is everything on this. When do you know it's the right time?
Yeah, so I say that anytime you can save any amount of money, that's the perfect time to refinance. And so taking a look at what your payment is, what your interest rate is, and then again, what your goals are. And so even if you just recently took out a loan, you oftentimes can refinance immediately thereafter. And you will see a lot more interest savings when you refinance earlier in the loan than later, because most of the interest is paid at the beginning of your loan in the first several months to several years, depending on how long the term is. But there really isn't a bad time to refinance if you can save money. So just be sure to look at what your goals are. If it's, to lower your payment, to extend the term, to shorten the term, lower the interest rate, improve your cash flow, just make sure that the actions you take will get you closer to that goal.
I guess any guidance you can provide for people on productive ways you can actually use some of the extra money?
Yeah, so unfortunately, a lot of people identified last year in 2020 that they didn't have the amount of emergency savings that maybe they would have felt either more comfortable with or that they really needed. And so I would definitely urge anyone who is refinancing to take some of that money that they're saving, say in that monthly payment, and put it towards an emergency fund. And so we recommend that you would have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in some kind of emergency fund. And so it's easy to get to, but not too easy, so that you spend it without thinking of it. And then also, if 3 to 6 months sounds intimidating, start with a lower goal, like $1,000, and work up from there.
Fantastic. All right, and then I guess, how can MSUFCU help? You guys are there to help everybody.
Yeah. Absolutely. So at the credit union, we don't have any application fee for auto loans. There's not a prepayment penalty. So if you're able to pay it off early, that's really great. And we'll celebrate that with you, as well as there's flexible terms up to 84 months. And then also we offer for purchases something called a ready loan check, which means that you're pre-approved and you can go either to a private seller or a dealer with that check in hand and just make it out at the time, because you know what you're pre-approved up until, what dollar amount. And so then you just hand that over and you can drive away with your car, and it makes the whole process a lot easier.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time and advice this morning.
Most certainly.
And to learn more, go to msufcu.org.